As electric vehicles, EVs and hybrid models become increasingly mainstream, car buyers are left navigating a crucial question: which is truly cheaper to own over the long run, a hybrid or a fully electric vehicle? Welcome to AutoVFix. In this comprehensive breakdown, we'll put two industry heavyweights head-to-head, the Toyota Camry Hybrid, a symbol of reliable and fuel-efficient hybrid technology, and the Tesla Model 3, a trailblazer in the EV space that continues to dominate conversations around electric mobility. While these vehicles serve slightly different purposes and audiences, they share enough in common: mid-sized sedan profile, modern tech. Let's dive into the data and real-world ownership variables that matter most. The first major cost consideration is, of course, the purchase price. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid, which is now offered exclusively in hybrid form across all trims, starts at $29,495 USD for the base LE model. The SE trim, a more sport-tuned, visually aggressive version, starts at $31,795 USD. In Canada, that same SE trim begins at approximately $36,160 CAD. Meanwhile, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive variant starts at $44,130 USD or $62,490 CAD. These figures include delivery and freight fees, but exclude local taxes and registration. In Canada, the federal EV rebate is currently paused, making the Model 3 around $27,000 CAD more expensive than the Camry Hybrid. Without rebates or incentives, this is a massive price gap that the Tesla must make up through reduced running costs to remain competitive. Beyond the MSRP, Tesla owners must also account for the cost of installing a home EV charger. Depending on your home's electrical system and installation complexity, this can range from $1,000 to $5,000 USD. In older homes where a panel upgrade is required, costs can easily approach $4,000 or more. This hidden cost is often overlooked in initial comparisons, but is critical to an EV ownership experience, especially if you want the convenience and cost savings of charging at home. Next up, the ongoing cost of powering the vehicle. Here's where electric vehicles generally shine, often offering significant savings over gasoline or even hybrid-powered alternatives. The 2025 Camry Hybrid delivers an impressive 48 miles per gallon combined, or about 5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's among the most efficient non-plug-in hybrids on the market. The Tesla Model 3 RWD clocks in with an estimated 120 mpge, or roughly 17.5 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. On paper, this is substantially more efficient than even the best hybrids. Based on current average US fuel prices and an electricity cost of 13 cents per kilowatt-hour for home charging, Camry Hybrid about $1,000 per year on gasoline, Tesla Model 3 around $270 per year on electricity. In Canada, where both electricity and gasoline costs can vary more widely between provinces, these numbers can shift. Using average Canadian utility rates, Camry Hybrid about $1,500 Canadian dollars per year in fuel. Model 3, around $400 Canadian dollars per year in electricity. Here, the Tesla offers around $11,000 in savings over 10 years. However, these savings still may not make up for the $27,000 price difference. It's well understood that electric vehicles generally require less maintenance than their internal combustion engine or hybrid counterparts. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and regenerative braking all play a role. Based on data from Carriage, the Camry Hybrid costs around $4,200 US, which is about 5,700 Canadian dollars in maintenance and repairs over a 10-year period. This breaks down to roughly $420 US per year. The Model 3 is estimated to cost $3,600 or 5,000 Canadian dollars over the same 10-year span. That's about $360 per year. While that's a modest savings for the Tesla, it's not the dramatic difference some may expect. Why? Modern hybrids like the Camry have incredibly high reliability ratings and have matured in terms of both battery technology and powertrain integration. Repairs are rare and maintenance items like oil changes are relatively inexpensive. Plus, hybrid systems often face less mechanical stress than traditional gas engines. Additionally, while electric vehicles avoid certain maintenance tasks, they aren't maintenance-free. You still have to replace tires, sometimes more frequently due to added weight and torque, deal with suspension components, and potentially face expensive repairs after warranty coverage ends. One area where electric vehicles still face skepticism is battery longevity. Tesla's battery warranty stands at 8 years or 120,000 miles, whichever comes first. While data suggests Tesla batteries degrade slowly and failures are rare in that time frame, there's uncertainty around what happens after warranty expiration. A battery replacement could cost up to $13,000 or 18,000 Canadian dollars. In contrast, the Camry Hybrid's battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles in the US and 240,000 kilometers in Canada. Hybrid batteries are smaller and significantly cheaper to replace, typically $3,000 or less, with aftermarket or remanufactured units sometimes under $2,000. The replacement process for hybrid batteries is also simpler and widely understood by independent mechanics. Tesla owners often must go through Tesla-approved service centers, where labor costs are higher and repair options fewer. Depreciation is a massive factor in total cost of ownership, often underestimated until trade-in or resale time. The Camry Hybrid loses just 35% of its value after 5 years. Toyota's reputation for reliability ensures strong residual value. The Model 3 loses approximately 43% of its value over the same period. And since it costs more upfront, that 43% equals a larger dollar amount lost. The reasons? Rapid EV innovation makes older models feel obsolete faster. Insurance premiums vary drastically by region, driving history, and other personal factors. That said, industry data suggests the annual insurance for a Camry Hybrid is around $1,800. For the Tesla Model 3, insurance will cost approximately $2,200 per year. Over 10 years, that's a $4,000 difference in favor of the Toyota. Electric vehicles often cost more to insure due to higher repair costs, especially for bodywork and expensive electronics. Tesla's use of proprietary parts and limited repair networks can also increase premiums. While hard costs are important, some buyers weigh the quality of ownership equally. Tesla's minimalist cabin, advanced driver assistance features, and instant torque make for a futuristic driving experience. Regular over-the-air updates also improve the car over time, something rare in the automotive world. Meanwhile, the Camry Hybrid delivers a more traditional experience. Quiet, comfortable, and reliable, but without the same wow factor in terms of tech. However, it boasts superior long-term reliability, easier serviceability, and a more predictable ownership path. After examining every major cost category, from purchase price and charging to maintenance, depreciation, and insurance, it becomes clear that the Tesla Model 3 can be the cheaper car to operate if you have access to home charging, live in an area with low electricity rates, lease it short-term, and avoid depreciation battery concerns. The Toyota Camry Hybrid is likely the cheaper, safer choice for long-term ownership, reliability-focused buyers, anyone without home charging access. In most regions, the Camry Hybrid offers a more financially predictable and cost-effective ownership experience, especially if you plan to keep the vehicle 7 to 10 years or more. So, which one fits your lifestyle and financial goals best? Let us know your thoughts, and be sure to consider all aspects of ownership before making your next automotive investment. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone you know who's deciding between a hybrid and an EV, and stay tuned for more ownership deep dives.